No, it don't matter. There's one. I said the problem was fixed. It's not. And I tried to record it earlier on the freeway, but when I grabbed the camera, obviously it stopped doing it. So I'm gonna show you guys the problem now. It's even worse. Ugh.
Oh, you'll have you.
Yeah, it's even worse. Watch. You need to go that way, right? Yeah. So the car is like not warm, but it's not like cold either.
What the fuck?
Yeah, I don't know why it's doing that. I don't know why it's doing that.
That doesn't sound safe.
So I don't know what it could be. If you guys can help me out here. Let me see. I mean, for the most part, everything's...
Did it start after you hit it?
And that's it. I probably really shouldn't be driving the car, but... It's like I'm not building boost, or I'm misfiring like crazy. See, I'm not even playing. So the last part you guys seen was the car not running well, and it's still not running well. When we get over there, I'm gonna explain a little bit more. I just wanted to make the intro a little bit. Can you do my intro?
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Brandon or Daddy. Come back. Fuck! I always messed up on that part.
You're so whack. You ready?
No.
You got one more chance.
Hold on. Just giving you guys a little sneak peek.
Oh, what?
What's coming?
Yeah, the car is not running smooth at all. So I'm guessing it's either, or a lot of people are telling me it could be the head gasket, or it could be a number of things. Hoping it's not a head gasket. Hopefully it's something simple. I was running E50 in the car with 76's E85. No, 76, right? 76's E85, and I just kind of want to show you guys something because I don't think this is right at all. You put that stick in there? So you can't really tell now. You can't really tell, but the coolant is low. Like, it's super low. Like, I'm losing coolant like crazy. That's why people assume that it is the head gasket. I mean, the car idles fine, sounds fine. It's just when I run it, it doesn't sound good at all. Can you go inside and rev it? No white smoke again? No white smoke. There's also white smoke coming out of it too, which could be head blown head gasket. Keep saying head blown gasket. But yeah, could be that, which kind of sucks, but hopefully not. Seatbelt on first, guys. So right now I'm running E30. I had half a tank, so I filled it up with 91. So we're gonna see if it does the thingy. Huh?
It's full.
What is full?
The coolant that I just got.
I know. Was it a lot? Did they give you a lot? So
So
what I marked there, if you guys can see it, is where the coolant is at now, and hopefully in the next few days it stays there. But I might just fill it up because I feel like that's smarter to fill it up. So I don't know. We might just fill it up today. We'll see.
like a gallon or something.
Oh, really? Like it's a lot? YouTube, what's going on? Sorry, just kidding. We're trying to do an intro.
You messed up your intro.
I know.
Oh.
Fuck, I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, we're gonna take the thingies out, and we're gonna check the spark plugs and see if they're okay. Make sure there's no liquid in them. Make sure there's no coolant in them. Cause I am losing coolant. I just don't know what the problem is. We just did a pull. We just did a pull on 91. There's no way you're struggling. So we just did a pull on 91, and there was like no problem at all. So we're gonna try to see if maybe the problem could be fixed or not, or the problem is fixed with the gas. I don't know. It's a trial and error type of thing. Work on the car?
Not looking like that.
I guess the Instagram. No, it's for the camera to see. Yo, bro. What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? Gang, gang, any motherfucker. So, got the thingy-majiggies out. The thingy-majiggies. Not to see if there's any liquid in there. No, they're all dry. They're all super dry. Spark plugs seem to be fine. Coolant is really low. I'm talking to you guys and them. Coolant is still low. Don't know what the problem could be. If you guys have experienced this problem, let me know. It's kind of annoying. I wish it was, you know, something I'm not dealing with, but we'll see how it goes. The only thing I could think is something's wrong with the turbo. It only happens when I'm building boost. It only happens when I'm building boost, so I don't know. You don't want to eat, bro? So I don't know. I don't think the spark plugs are messed up. We just changed those out not too long ago. Stop. Come on.
What? I'm sorry, what?
Kind of annoying. Maybe we should fill the coolant up. You have your coolant with you?
Oh, that's actually so bad.
Do you guys know? I mean, this is OEM. Oh, do we run type? So we're filling in coolant in it. See how it goes. Let me see your light. Like these nuts. That's pretty high, huh?
Mm-hmm. And we're gonna check mine as well.
It's way down there, huh?
Brandon, I think mine's like empty.
Bro?
It doesn't look like there's any color. Yours is like dark. Mine's like white.
Well, no, because your fucking light comes on. Your coolant light comes on.
Why?
But you just because you don't have no coolant in it. She starts the car without warming up her car. I just want to let you guys know. She'll drive without warming it up.
I sit there.
A freak of nature.
I sit there for like 5 minutes.
Millie Rock one time for the one time. Here.
Y'all want him?
Oh. What up, Dagger McJagger? What's up, baby?
I kind of want to go in live too.
Why do you want to do?
I just want to be everything you are. When I grow up, I want to be exactly like you.
Okay, it's a few days later, and I haven't been able to get this part up because I've been busy with work and stuff. But kind of want to talk about the car. Right now, it's running perfect. I haven't had any issues with it for the past couple of days. One thing I did change in it is the gas that I'm using. I'm not using 76's E85. Really, I'm just on 91. I'm on an E30 blend right now. So I still have some of the E85 in there, but not all of it. The car's been running fantastic. It's been running great. I haven't had any issues with it so far. The only thing that I have noticed since then is the loss of coolant. I'm still losing coolant in the vehicle or in the car. I'm still losing coolant in the car. Whenever I drive it somewhere, sometimes I want to look under the car just to see if there's any coolant dropping anywhere, and there's none. So somewhere along the line I'm losing coolant. I don't know where it's coming from or where it's going or anything like that, but I know that the car's not misfiring like it was. So I don't really know what it could be. It still could be a blown head gasket, but I don't know yet. I just been kind of going along winging it and trying to figure out what it is, but I'm still losing coolant somehow, and I'm losing a lot. So probably gonna take it to a shop, have them look at it. I should probably do a compression test to see if anything's going wrong with the motor, or make sure my motor's healthy and everything like that. So I know in the video before this one I did mention getting a bigger turbo. I'm holding that off for now until I can figure out what's going on with the car and make sure everything's good. The other day I did go look at a Subaru to probably get rid of the car, but a lot of you guys want me to stick through it and just finish out this build. So
yes, sir. SI gang. Gang.
So I might just stick it out, but we'll just kind of figure out and wing it as it goes. Not really anything else. Not really. You guys really haven't missed much. I am probably gonna go to Slammed Enough on January 30th to the 31st. So I'm probably gonna register the car there. Might lower it a little bit more, put a lip on there, and just so I can be slammed enough. Let me know if you guys have experienced the same problem as I have, because it's kind of annoying, but hopefully it's something. It's a simple fix and it's not too bad. But yeah, for the most part, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give this video a thumbs up. I know it's a very late video. You guys can tell I'm tired, but I'm trying to get this video up for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. See you guys next time. Dab. Peace.